Hi, let me show you how to quickly call friends and family on iPhone. And for that, we can create Contacts widget on the home screen. So press and hold your home screen. On the tab, choose to Edit and pick to add widget. Now start scrolling down till you can see App Contacts, and then select whether you want to add 1 contact, 4 contacts, or 6 contacts to your home screen. For example, let's add 4 and click Add Widget. Now, to be able to choose different people in this list, you need to tap Widget once, and here you can tap contact you want to replace, like that, and choose different in the list. So just continue tapping. Let me just find my friend. Great. And now tap on the home screen, tap Done to save the changes. Then when you want to quickly call your friends or family, then just pick this person and tap to call it. So as you can see, it's really easy. And it will be shown like that. You can message it, you can video call this person, FaceTime it, you can send email and tap to check its information. That's all. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.